Hey, this is Niladri. First of all, I want to give a thank you to everyone for subscribing to my channel. Today is 8th of March 2021 and we have crossed 20,000 subscribers, and once again a very warm thank you to every one of you. We wanted to expand our YouTube channel with some different dimensions, and one of the important points that I wanted to talk about, that we are coming up with the memberships program. We will be giving you many more perks, and we are having multiple memberships plan within our channel. So whenever you are subscribing, apart from subscribing, you can also join our memberships. I'll quickly walk you through for whatever the different memberships plan we have. So as you can see in the screen, we will be talking about multiple membership plans. So the first membership plan will be a bronze plan, and after that we will be go for silver, and then from silver we will be going to gold and platinum and diamonds. So those will be the key 5 levels of memberships, and I'll show you what exactly each memberships is and what you will be getting by enrolling those memberships options. Let's quickly look into that. The bronze memberships, if you opt for that, these are the 4 advantages you will be able to get. A loyalty badge next to your name in the comments and live chat, custom emoji to use in comments and live chat, get access to behind the scene videos. So whenever we capture videos, we need to set up couple of backend or the structures or the cameras and everything. So we will also shoot that, and that will be having a special access to the members only. And also all the videos that we will be publishing in YouTube will be having 1 week or 2 week early access to the members only. After that, if you want to go for a different level of memberships, we have the next level as silver, which will include all the bronze membership plus exclusive members only videos. So we will be having couple of videos, those will be exclusively for members only, not for the public. And whenever we create videos, many point of time we create many tutorials and some graphics also we create. We have few graphics and those wallpapers for you, so that you can download and you can use whenever you need. The third memberships is a gold memberships, where you will have everything including silver and bronze plus 1 hour of live stream with all gold members. So every second Friday evening India time or Saturday morning India time and Friday evening maybe in US time, we will be conducting a common meeting with all the members, where you can ask me if you have any questions related to any topics related to Agile, Scrum, SAFe, or whatever the topics that we mostly talked about, Jira or Rally. That's one area you can talk about. You can have all those questions, we'll prioritize them ahead of time, and we will be covering most of them, whatever the time limits permits, and whatever is left we will be covering that in our next month, second Friday or Saturday, whichever we'll be scheduling. After silver memberships, you can go for a platinum memberships. Over here you will get all the perks that was already covered as part of gold or silver or bronze. Apart from that, you will get one more additional 1 hour discussion with all the platinum members, and you will ultimately get kind of 2 hours, one with the gold members on the second week and another you will get on the 4th week. And also in Agile Digest we conduct many paid training, certification workshops, templates. For any product that you are buying, you will be getting 20% flat discounts on everything that we sell or we conduct on a paid basis. And the final one that we call is a diamond, where you will be getting everything that was covered as bronze, silver, gold and platinum. Along with that, every member can get a chance to have a discussion with me 101 for clarifying any doubts that you have on your Safe World or Agile World or Scrum or Kanban or Jira or Rally, or wherever you are facing some issues, you are preparing for interviews, or you wanted to get clarify how to conduct your this particular Jira board, how to make different communications, or preparing some reports, whatever the problems or channels that you have, you want to talk about that, definitely we will be covering that. Or any Diamond member, you can book 1 hour every month and we can have a question answer sessions and we'll clarify any doubts that you have. All the members, you will be having a loyalty badge based on the number of days you are members with. So as you can see, if you covered 1 year, you will be having this kind of badge. If you have 2 years or 6 months or 2 months, 2 years, we'll be having different kind of batches. So whenever you will be making some comments or you will be giving any feedback or live chat, your batches will be coming up. And also during your comments, you will be able to use, these are few of the emojis used when you are commenting with us. I think that's all that I wanted to talk now, and I believe you got the idea. Still, if you have some questions, feel free to write me. You can write me directly to email or my WhatsApp number, that's +91 8800842559. We'll see you once again. Once you are become a member, we will be able to connect separately. Apart from that, we are always connected. And thank you once again for subscribing to us, watching our videos. That gives a lots of motivation to us. We'll see you once again. Till that time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.